only McFlurry Oreo. Oh my god, it's so yummy. Yummy guys. Let's eat. So magbablog ako today kasi it's been a while, but yeah, I think I need to go on with my life. Ganun talaga. Life is too short. So, lahat naman tayo pupunta doon. Pili na kayo guys. So, check out na to guys. Oh. Check out na. Ano lunch niya? You know guys, I'm alone. I'll get used to it. Kaya na ako mag-isang gumagala, kumakain, namamansyal. Whenever I'm bored, I treat myself. And then, yun.